Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem Amma ba'd. Qala an-Nabiy sallallahu alayhi wa sallam Khayrukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allamah. A teacher is a person who provides education to students. After parents, teachers play a vital role to shape our lives. They are the only one who can actually guide their students in many aspects. They have the power to change their dull pupils into brilliant stars and efficient citizens. As it is rightly said, a teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Islam also gives respect to teachers. According to Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Anhu, I am a slave to anyone who ever taught me even a single word. But nowadays, the behavior of students towards teachers is very bad. Students usually neglect teachers while passing near them. Some of them speak loud in front of them. Students sometimes give insulting remarks to teachers, which is actually very shameful. We all have learned that they are like our parents. We can neither speak in a loud tone in front of our parents, nor we can insult them. Then why we are doing this with our teachers? Why? Islam does not teach us to treat our teachers in such a way. We should have to obey them. We should not see our teachers as our enemies. Students give teachers all kinds of names and refuse to give them that respect which they really deserve. Sometimes we get punished for the mistakes we make, but we need to respect the sacrifices made by our teachers for us, and we also need to appreciate the intentions and expectations our teachers have for us. Students need to understand that they must respect their teachers from the bottom of their hearts. Parents should also teach their children that how they can respect their teachers. Many examples of Muslim leaders and scholars are in front of us who has taught their children to respect their teachers. Example of Khalifa Harun Rashid is heart-touching. His two sons competed in order to hold the slippers of their teacher. After he ended his prayers to help him put his feet inside the shoes. There may be some teachers which do not teach well, but respect your teachers and make them your friends so that they can groom you into a responsible adult in future. A special thankful to all my teachers who take part in polishing my life. Khuda Hafiz.